Well, there are a lot of videos on the web that show you how to dump a cassette toilet. I can't find any videos that show you actually how to use the cassette toilet. And there are some differences between a cassette toilet and a residential toilet that you need to know about. In a residential toilet, when you're doing your business, it's landing in water. And it's got a porcelain finish. So it's the combination of that water and the porcelain finish mean that it's really easy to clean. This is not the case with the plastic toilet. While the plastic has a very slippery coating on it, it's not as slippery as porcelain. So in a regular RV toilet, you would run the water a little bit and build up some water on top of the toilet bowl and then do your number two business. First most important difference is that there is a shutter that you open and close in your cassette toilet, and that shutter can produce splash. So you always want to make sure that the cover on your toilet is closed so that when you open that shutter, you won't get any splash in your face or in your eyes or in your mouth, because that could put an abrupt end to your camping trip. You never ever want to leave water on top of the shutter. If you do leave water or urine or anything on top of that shutter, capillary action can take over, and that material can end up on the outside of your tank, and it's gross, and you don't want to have to clean it up. If you're going to do number one in the toilet, the first step is to open the vent, turn on the fan. That'll get the stink out of the RV. Second step, open the shutter. Third, open the toilet. Do your business. Rinse. Close the lid and then close the shutter and return the toilet back the way it's supposed to be. Doing number two in the toilet is exactly the same steps, except this time, while you're rinsing, you're going to use a toilet brush to clean off any material that's left in the bowl. It's important to get a really, really soft toilet brush. This one is made out of silicone, and I'll put a link down in the description. You want a soft toilet brush because you don't want to put any scratches in the bowl of the toilet. You want to avoid getting any scratches in your toilet bowl. That's why you want a really soft toilet brush. And never use a scouring pad on the toilet. It'll scratch the heck out of it. A soft cloth and just water. Don't use harsh chemicals. That will eat away at the coating. There's a very slick coating on the surface of the toilet, and you need that coating to stay intact, or your toilet's going to start to smell. If your toilet does start to smell, it's not a disaster. They sell a porcelain lining that can go in the toilet. I'll put a link down to that porcelain lining in the comments. I can go as many as 4 days without dumping the toilet, but I like to dump it every other day just so it's light and it's easier. So I hope I answered all your questions about how to use a cassette toilet. If I didn't, please put a question in the comments, and thank you for watching.